Hello and welcome to the Adam Val YouTube channel. It's going to be a real quick review that I'm doing on my phone, and it's these. Well, I've had one of them long days. I've got home and I need to have something to eat before I have a bit of. I ain't had done that yet, but I will be in a second. I found these in the bottom of the freezer. Now, I believe a few months ago I picked these up to review, but forgot about them because I didn't fancy them. So these are 4 chicken breast with gravy from Iceland. Don't know how much. Look at the light there. It's one of them effects. It's not. It's just because I'm filming on my phone. Anyway, I chucked them in the air fryer. There. Now, like I said, I picked these up to review and I've sat in the bottom of the freezer. But I needed something quick. So let's have a look at this monstrosity. So this is a chicken breast with gravy inside. Let's cut this open. Oh, there's a lot of gravy. It's going to be really hot as well. Look at that. Air fryer. You know what? I don't even know how long I put them in for. I just turned it on and hope for the best. What's it say on the back? Because a lot of these places now, they do list air fryer stuff. It just says oven, 23 minute. Oh, hot. Hot. They're a little hot taste-wise, no? Not too bad. Don't look too appealing, but taste-wise, passable. They're all right. Just a little hot. Oh. We'll see you on our next video. For more videos, or drink out of the bottle and eat over hot food. Subscribe.